Do you want to make some extra cash from the stuff that's cluttering up your house? You can do it right from home with OfferUp. The OfferUp app lets you post anything from video games to boats. Team Clark tested OfferUp to see whether it's worth your time to post on this app. Here's how it works. In the app, click Post. Put a picture of what you want to sell and give it a title. To make sure your item is more appealing to buyers, clean your item and take a picture of it in good light for your post. Next, describe your item by selecting the category it belongs in, the condition it's in, and writing in some details. Then, set the price you want to charge. If you don't mind someone haggling with you, keep the Firm on Price box unchecked. But if you absolutely want that amount of money, select that option. Once you set your price, your item is posted. You can also share the link to your post from the app or almost any other app on your device, including social media or via text message. Now, you just have to wait for interested buyers. Waiting can be the hardest part, but we had messages about our post within about a day. If you don't want to wait, you can click Sell Faster to boost your post for a fee. You can edit your post at any time with a new picture or price to try and attract potential buyers. OfferUp can handle payment in the app, but you may choose to accept cash from a buyer. OfferUp discourages sellers from taking any payment other than cash or payment within their app. They discourage other payment because they say it's more likely to be a scam. If you plan to use in-app payment to receive your money from a purchase, be careful. Here's why. The buyer and seller set up a hold on the payment and on the item. Then, the buyer authorizes payment in advance, and the seller agrees to hold the item for 6 days until the pre-authorization expires. When the buyer and seller meet, OfferUp says that the buyer should inspect the item and then release the payment to the seller. Releasing the payment is very important. If a buyer doesn't do this, you won't get paid. The OfferUp app also makes it easy for buyers to cancel payments and change amounts, so make sure that the payment is released before handing over your item and that it's the amount you expect. Once you sell your item, mark it sold in the app so that people know it's no longer available. Listing your item on multiple platforms like Letgo, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist gives you a better chance of selling your item quickly. Overall, the OfferUp app provides a flexible selling experience. You choose whether you want to ship an item or meet in person, and it lets you decide whether to process payment through the app or to accept cash. Have you used OfferUp or another app to make money? Let us know in the comments below, and find more ways to make money at clark.com.